Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram direct message requests private and hidden from your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to stop those notifications from popping up where anyone can see them, even when your phone is locked. This is the updated method, so you'll have the latest instructions. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is where you control all your device's notifications and privacy options. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Look for Instagram, then tap to open its settings. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see a menu called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can customize exactly which notifications Instagram is allowed to send you. Now, look for the option that says Instagram Direct Requests. This is specifically for those message requests that come from people you don't follow. Tap on this option to open up more detailed notification settings. Here's the important part. Find the setting called Lock Screen. Tap on it, and you'll be given a few choices for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. To keep your message requests private, select Don't Show Notifications. This will make sure that any new direct message requests won't show up on your lock screen at all. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Instagram direct message request notifications from your lock screen. Now you can enjoy more privacy and peace of mind, knowing that your message requests are for your eyes only. If you found these steps helpful, consider checking out our other tips for managing notifications and staying in control of your privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.